If you want to connect ChatGPT to Cruise Critic, this guide will walk you through the full process step by step. This is a simple setup, and once you finish it, you'll be able to start using Cruise Critic inside ChatGPT much more easily. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more practical AI tutorials just like this. Let's get into it. First, go to ChatGPT in your browser. You can do this by opening chatgpt.com. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed into the account you want to use for the connection. Now, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and click on your profile. From there, you should see the Settings option. Click on Settings to open the ChatGPT Settings panel. Inside Settings, look for the Apps section. This is where ChatGPT lets you connect with different services and tools. Click on Apps and then find the option to add more connectors or integrations. Next, click on Add More. This will open the app directory where you can search for supported apps. In the search bar, type in Cruise Critic. You may only need to type a few letters before it appears in the results. When Cruise Critic shows up, click on it to open the app connection page. On this page, you'll see the option to connect. Go ahead and click Connect to begin linking Cruise Critic with ChatGPT. You may be asked to confirm the connection one more time, so click Connect again if prompted. This is the step that finalizes the authorization and allows ChatGPT to access the Cruise Critic integration. Once the connection is complete, go back and start a new chat. In the chat window, click the plus icon, then choose More if needed, and make sure Cruise Critic is available as a connected app. At this point, you can select Cruise Critic and begin using it inside ChatGPT. That means the connection is now active and ready to use. If everything was done correctly, you should be able to work with Cruise Critic through ChatGPT without having to repeat the setup. And that's it. You've successfully connected ChatGPT to Cruise Critic. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.